Habanera Botoleña, the festive dance of love from Zambales. From the coastal town of Botolan in Zambales comes a dance that beautifully blends Spanish elegance with Filipino charm, the Habanera Botoleña. Known for its festive rhythm and graceful steps, this folk dance is often performed during weddings and special celebrations. It reflects not only the joy of the occasion, but also the deep influence of Spanish culture on Filipino traditions. The term habanera traces its roots to Cuba, but when the style reached the Philippines during the Spanish colonial period, it evolved into something uniquely Filipino. In Zambales, the locals adapted its slow, rhythmic tempo and transformed it into a communal dance of festivity and togetherness. The Habanera Botoleña became a joyful expression of gratitude, love, and harmony among families and friends. Performed by pairs of dancers, the Habanera Botoleña showcases coordination, elegance, and unity. The men and women move in synchrony, often gliding side by side or facing each other with polite gestures and gentle turns. Every movement symbolizes respect, affection, and balance, values deeply rooted in Filipino culture and relationships. One of the most notable characteristics of the Habanera Botoleña is its clear Spanish influence, especially from the flamenco style. Dancers incorporate subtle wrist turns, graceful arm movements, and rhythmic footwork that echo the sophistication of European ballroom dances. Yet, unlike flamenco's fiery intensity, the Habanera Botoleña exudes a softer, more romantic energy that mirrors Filipino warmth and hospitality. The music accompanying the dance follows a lilting three-quarter rhythm, calm yet festive. Often played using guitars and bandurrias, the melody creates a feeling of celebration, inviting everyone to smile and sway along. The tempo encourages gentle movements rather than dramatic ones, making the dance feel more communal and inclusive, perfect for social gatherings and family events. Costume plays a key role in bringing out the beauty of the Habanera Botoleña. Women wear the traditional Clara dress, elegant, modest, and full of color, while men don the Barong Tagalog paired with black trousers. Together, these outfits enhance the formality and charm of the performance, capturing the graceful spirit of old Filipino festivities. Traditionally, the Habanera Botoleña is performed at weddings as a symbol of love and unity. The paired dancers represent harmony between husband and wife, as well as the bond between families. Each synchronized step reflects cooperation and mutual respect, essential elements for a lasting relationship. It's not just a dance, it's a story of love told through movement. In the community of Botolan, the dance also serves as a social event. Villagers gather to celebrate milestones, with the Habanera Botoleña as one of the highlights of the evening. The circular formations and exchanges of partners express friendship and collective joy, an echo of how the Filipino spirit thrives in togetherness. Over the years, this dance has been passed down through generations and has become an important cultural treasure of Zambales. Schools and cultural groups continue to perform it across the country, ensuring that its grace and meaning remain alive. The Habanera Botoleña stands as a shining symbol of Filipino elegance, a graceful union of Spanish rhythm and native warmth. Its gentle sways and festive charm remind us that tradition is not just about the past, but also about the celebration of life, love, and unity that continues to this day.
If you enjoyed learning about this beautiful dance, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more stories celebrating the beauty of Filipino folk culture and traditions.